Chunky's provides a wide range of sauces and premixes that can be easily combined to create simple and delicious homemade recipes. For instance, combo chicken pasta can be made using some of the following Chunky sauces. Chunky's combo sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil. Here are the ingredients. Half a jar of 125 grams of Chunky's combo sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chunky's light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chunky's sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of water, 300 grams of diced chicken meat, 300 grams of cooked Italian pasta, 10 grams of dried red chili, 20 grams of sliced ginger, 3 stalks of chopped spring onion, 20 grams of sliced garlic, 1 red pepper, sliced, 1 green pepper, sliced, 1 chopped onion. Let's start by boiling the pasta. Next, chop the green and red peppers, onion and spring onion. Peel and slice the ginger and garlic thinly. Once the pasta is cooked, heat the oil in the pan and stir-fry the pasta. Set aside when done. Marinate the chicken cubes with Chunky's light soy sauce, sesame oil, water, and corn flour for 10 minutes. Stir-fry the chicken in hot cooking oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, stir-fry the ginger, garlic, and red and green peppers until fragrant. Drain oil and set aside. Stir-fry the dried chili until brown in color. Add the chicken meat, some water, and continue stir-frying. Add Chunky's gumbo sauce, spring onions, and bring it to a boil. Add the cooked pasta and serve. Combo chicken pasta with Chunky's.